This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Luis Medina. Amazing 4-bedroom home is now available in the popular Westbury subdivision. The home has been completely remodeled and the floor plan has been updated. It features a new roof, new AC, new furnace, new floors, new quartz countertops. This home is amazing. Check out the luxurious shower. Tired of long commutes? This home has easy access to Highway 90, BTW 8, Highway 59, Hillcroft Avenue, West Bellfort Avenue. The 610 loop is located less than 20 minutes from the Texas Medical Center and less than 30 minutes from Houston's downtown. This home is located within 4 miles from Meyerland Plaza, which has great restaurants and shopping centers. The home is perfect for sports fans, rodeo enthusiasts or concertgoers, as it is located less than 7 miles from Reliant Stadium. By the way, Westbury was named Best Hidden Neighborhood by the Houston Press and ranked as one of the 25 hottest Houston neighborhoods by Houstonia Magazine. As you can see, this is an incredible location. Call to schedule a tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Luis Medina at 713-884-0502.